Making our customers happy is our #1 priority, so when one of them writes us an awesome 5-star review, well, we love to share it. When our customers give us glowing reviews like this one, it helps us know we're fulfilling our commitment to provide every customer with a first-class experience. We love hearing great feedback because it really is our goal to satisfy everyone who works with us. Now that's a total win-win situation. We love our repeat customers, but we also love new customers, and we'd like that to be you. Give us a chance to show you what we can do. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you. We're only one call away from serving you.